Hi everyone, meteorologist Ed Valley here taking a look at the Northeast. It's about 10:20 a.m. and we're looking here at the radar. Things largely go to plan. A lot of this stuff up in the north is falling very lightly. Very light snow up north. Not much happening in southern New England or in the mid-Atlantic here. A little bit of precipitation being reported on Long Island now. It's rain. It's 41 in Islip. It is, as I speak, I'm actually pulling up some of the other stations here on Long Island. It is 40 at West Hampton and raining, and it is 41 at Montauk and raining. So the temperatures aren't that cold. So that's number one. Number two, as the radar suggests, this is not exactly a formidable system as expected, right? So moving forward, the precipitation rates are largely going to be pretty light. But as we head into this afternoon, as we've been discussing, this coastal system is going to start getting its act together. And then we're going to notice, if you look at the radar now, back west in western New York, there really isn't much with this, but this secondary piece is going to kind of rotate on up, and that's going to bring some light snow to the north later. So let's go through it. Through the afternoon, again, what you see is what you get in the mid-Atlantic. Not much, if any, impact here. And as we head into this afternoon, again, maybe some light precipitation along the coast, but it really waits until this evening. And there could be a period of snow showers. A lot of the mid-Atlantic miss this system. It's mostly a New York, New England type deal. Could be a period this evening of snow showers. Temperatures around that time look like this. They are pretty close to freezing along the coast, below freezing inland. So if anything does fall this evening, it will stick. But you notice overnight, things dwindle rather quickly. Total precip, again, this is just one model, so grain of salt, but you see a tenth, maybe 2/10 of an inch north. That could equate to 1 to 4 inches of snow, fluffy snow. It's a coating to an inch for a lot of us here. Even along the coast, maybe slightly more, but again, temperature's warmer there, so sticking will be a little bit tougher. So low impact storm. This thing's getting out of here tonight, and by tomorrow morning we wake up. Here's 5 a.m. If you do wake up as early as I do, maybe a few flurries north lingering, a few snow showers north, and those will dwindle by midday, and we're left with a dry afternoon on Thursday. So this is not a really impactful forecast. Now, heading into Friday, Thursday night, there could be a period of snow showers. There's a warm front moving in. Across the north, there could be a period of light snow showers, generally from about midnight to, let's call it 8 a.m. And then throughout the day, maybe a few flurries or sprinkles, but most of the day, Friday ends up dry. And that leads us to Friday night. Okay, this is an interesting one. If you're along the coast, it's rain, no need to worry. However, inland, especially in the mountains, north, look at these temps at about 2,500 feet. So overnight and into early Saturday morning, look here. Temperatures in this gray area are below freezing. I wouldn't be shocked if that extends south a little bit here. Now, you can say the same thing about surface temperatures. They're going to be quite cold in the sheltered valleys of northern Vermont, central Vermont, even southern Vermont, most of central New Hampshire. So late Friday night, I am concerned that the initial burst of precipitation moving in, and you can see it even on the model, is icy in the pink. Rain for everybody else, no worries. But as we get into Saturday morning, everything does change over to rain everywhere, even at the summits, and it's a wet and warm Saturday afternoon. However, did want to just note that early in the day Saturday could be a little icing across the north. It's raining Saturday afternoon, Saturday night. Precipitation may end as just a little bit of light snow in some of the highest of elevations north Saturday night, but that's really it. I mean, and you look at the amounts here, they're not overly impressive. It's a 1/4 to 1 inch generally, but it's rain. And in mid-December, that's somewhat of a rarity, especially north, right? So that's what we're looking like here. Friday night into Saturday looks like wet, maybe starting icy, but quickly turning wet. And then it's colder for Sunday. But you'll notice Sunday's temperatures are not overly cold. 30s inland, 40s coast. This air mass as we move into the middle of December is not cold. Next week is a dry week for the most part. Until we get towards maybe the end of the week, we get a couple warmer systems. But I tell you what, next week is going to be warm and largely dry. You look at the precipitation next week, the 5-day totals, looks like this. Not a lot. You look at the GFS, same thing. Saturday is a wet one. We dry out for Sunday, and then you look at next week here. I'm just going right through it. Maybe this model does have something towards the end of the week, wintry mix or rain, not a snowy system. And then beyond that, that's really it through that next weekend with minimal opportunity for snow. Okay, so that's the takeaway message is warmer, not a lot of winter systems coming up. Temperatures are cold for the day today and tomorrow. But notice Friday, and especially Saturday, we're warming up 50s, 60s for Saturday. We do flip back colder, but notice it's not that cold for Sunday. And then early next week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, very warm. These are high temperatures. Now, low temperatures will be colder, but you notice maybe the middle of the week and the beginning of the week is colder, but by the end of the week, our low temperatures, even inland, are 30s and 40s. So Scrooge has arrived, it looks like, for the week before Christmas. We're going to keep our eyes on it. If we see any deviation from this forecast, we'll, of course, let you know. Have a great rest of your Wednesday, and we'll talk to you again here soon.